Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat, and this one is by Siku, and I bought it for 349. Okay, it's 299 rupees. Okay, so this one was actually bought to me by one of my friend Uma Shankar. So he knows a person there, and they had a lot of stock remaining, so he bought one for me as well. So let's unbox this one and see how this one looks. Okay, here it is. Okay, so the initial impressions of this car, honestly, this car is really mind-blowing. The paint job looks really great. You can see the hood details here, that looks really beautiful. So the headlights are actually painted, but it's a bit embossed, and the logo, placement is really nice. So the grille is embossed and painted on top of it. It looks actually really beautiful. So the tail lights are actually painted, but still it is a great casting. I'm not going to take my word back on that part. This is really nice casting, and it has this rear view mirror details that is unique to this specific car. That looks really nice. It has openable part as well. It's a bit hard to open. See, you need to remember these guys. These are very old castings. It's been sitting on the shelf. Sorry, sitting on the shelves for a very long time, and still it looks really good. The details are really great. Wow. Seiko really nailed a lot of things. I really wish they come back to Indian market. So here are the chassis details. See how detailed it looks. It looks really nice, and it has all the detailing here. So this, I don't remember if others actually had this. Yeah, every car actually has the entire details of the car. Wow, that is really useful. I didn't see this one. That is really beautiful, man. I really wish now Seiko comes back to Indian market. Okay, so let's see if this one has suspension. No, it doesn't. Okay, one more thing is the rims are actually made of plastic and tires are rubber. So this rim set is not specific to this car. It is common to all the cars so far we unboxed. So let's do a roll test and see how this one rolls. I'm really sorry for the noise in the background, guys. It's already late night and the dogs are barking a lot. Okay, so it doesn't roll really well like other Seiko cars. It does have wheel wobble, especially the rear wheels. But anyway, I'm just going to allow it because anyway we are not going to play with this. So the scale is really nice and it looks really beautiful, and especially the detailing here about each and every car, which I actually forgot to notice or missed to notice, if you may. But it is a really beautiful piece. I'm really happy that I actually got this. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.